Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. This video we are going to do a cash envelope stuffing for this paycheck. Yes. We're not really late. We got paid a few days ago. So we're on track. We are on track. We are going to get into it. So this is the first paycheck of this year. I know my last video said first pay stuffing of the year, but this is the first paycheck of the year. And I'm super excited to see what happened. Somehow I got paid like $10 more, so we'll see what happens. So this is the money I will be stuffing. I believe $1,108. Oop. Don't tell me. Okay, right here. Right here. This is what I will be stuffing. Why didn't I unstuff my envelopes? Okay, this is what I will be stuffing. Let's put that right here. And let's do a unstuff with me. Let's just say it's been a while doing this on camera. And then I think we have some change. It's nothing here. It's nothing here. And there's no coins here. Awesome. So I am completely unstuffed. Let's see how much I have left. I don't count my change because my change just goes straight into my change drawer. Oh, hold up. I don't got my ring on. I'll be right back. Okay. So this is what we have. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have left over $23 from last pay cycle. Cool. We'll figure out what we're going to do with that later. So now let's organize our money. Unfortunately, the bank did not give me, well, I didn't go to a teller. I went to the ATM, but normally the ATM would break up my money the way I wanted it to be, but they didn't. So now we gotta play jigsaw. So this is 5. Okay, let's do it this way. I like my money a certain way. If you do too, comment down below what way. I like it facing my left hand. That's just my go-to. I love it that way. Just making sure the money is facing all the same way. So this is what we have. Let me go through my sinking funds to condense and rearrange some things. Because, honey, this is a lot. This is a lot. Okay, let's see if I can find some 10s. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Which I don't think I need any singles, but just in case for like the savings challenge and stuff. This is just 20s. Oop. I don't know what that was, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got some singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four. And that's it. That's a wrap. Okay. So we don't have any 10s. We only have 20s. 20s, 5s, and 1s. Perfect. I can work with that. Let's... yeah, this is cool. All right. So let's get started. So we are going to start with gas. Because gas is going to be $50. I should have got gas when I went to Jersey, because I love getting gas in Jersey because you don't got to pump your gas. You don't have to pump your own gas. It's illegal to pump your gas in Jersey. Whereas in New York, they want you to pump your gas. So that was fun. Yeah, so we're done with my cash envelopes. I don't really stuff anything else in my cash envelope now that I'm trying to rebuild my savings after the wedding. So if it's not gas or food, I'm not really stuffing it. I just want the main essentials. But I'm going to keep these envelopes in my wallet just in case if I, do build up my savings. When I do, not if I do. When I do build up my savings so that we can start bringing some luxury to ourselves. All right. Next is our sinking fund. Is this envelope. If you did not watch the video of me revamping my sinking fund envelopes, please check that out. We revamped it up, hon. So we're going to start with, this is out of order, but it's okay. We're going to start with SG Row is going to get $10. Oh, no, it's not out of order. Okay. Utilities and rent. Rent is going to get $6.23. So we gotta start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's move that all the way there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $623. $1, 2, 3. Thank goodness for those single dollar bills. So I'm going to count that again, just to make sure. Normally I would have $100 bills, but we don't got that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. That's how I count. 20s. 6. 20, 21, 22, 23. 623. Exactly what I needed. So let me just organize this money. that's what we're working with. We'll deposit that in the bank another time. Now you're like, wouldn't it be easy if you just saved it in the bank account? It would not. If you are in a cash budget, you are in different levels of discipline. And my level of discipline right now is if I see it in my bank account, I'm going to spend it. And I'm not about to risk not having a place to live because I saw something on Amazon that would be so cute for this house and I bought it. No. No. So yes, this is why I take it out. What else? Oh. Then we have, let me bring my stuff back here. Then we have household, which is getting 100, but that 100 I kept in the bank. So we're not stuffing that. Car is getting 25. Because, honey, my car has been acting up ever since we got our own place. My car has been acting up. She wanted to get a flat tire. She wanted her battery to die. It's like, girl, it's winter. What are you thinking? What are you trying to do? So, it was a lot. I still need to buy new tires. What we did was we patched up the hole, which is a temporary fix. Some people do it as a permanent fix, but it's a temporary fix for me. My goal is to change all of my tires because I haven't changed my tires since I bought the car, which I bought the car last year. So those tires need to change because I don't know how long the previous owner changed the tires, if that makes sense. For all I know, that's the same tires they rolled out the lot with. So we need to upgrade this. We need to upgrade this. Next is couples goals. Couples goals is getting $50. So we have a New Year's resolution where we want to do one date a month and we alternate whose responsibility it is to formulate that date. So for example, this month is his responsibility to organize and pay for the date. Next month is my responsibility to organize and arrange the date. So I'm prepping for next month. So we are doing 50. So that is 2 for, well, not 50 for the whole date, 50 for this paycheck and the next paycheck, and then hopefully we have a good couple of hundreds, depending on what we're doing. 2 for 45, 50. So $50 is going for couples goals. Being that, you know, we're newlyweds, we want to keep dating each other because when we was just boyfriend and girlfriend, we didn't do much dating. We did not. But now that we're living together, it's like, no, let's make this effort to go on a date. One date a year. Because first I was like, oh, a date a week. But that's hard when you go from occasional dates to now a date a week. That's hard. So we was like, okay, one date a month seems reasonable. So I'm excited to see what he plans. And for this month, and then next month is his birthday. Next month is his birthday, so that's another thing. Next, we are doing doctors. Doctors getting $80. So 2, 4, 6, 8. $80. 2, 4, 6, 8. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $155 in doctors, which is great, which is awesome. Shutdown is getting 50. Shutdown is getting 50. 1, 2. Here's my husband calling. I'll be right back. So shutdown is getting 50, did that. So right now, what do we have all together with shutdown? 2, 4, 6. 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay. Just making sure, because I was thinking about what did it originally have in it. But yeah, that makes sense. Self-care, we are doing $10. Because we need a moment. We need some things. B-Day, birthdays, and gifts is getting $40. Whew, this paycheck, I was generous. I was generous. I paid my bills and I was generous. Oh, this one is ripped. I gotta relaminate it. Alright, whatever. So $40 in birthdays and gifts because, you know, his birthday's coming up. Then we have travel. Where's travel? Where is travel? Vacations. We are giving 10 to vacation. What I'm trying to do is my minimum giving would be $10. So if I can't afford to give you $10, I'm just not gonna fund that, because funding $1 or $2, yes, it does add up, but I see 10s add up faster than 1s and 5s. 5s do add up. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. But like a basis for sinking funds, I just want to give $10. If it doesn't work, I'll reworkshop it and then we'll just go to 5 and see what happens. Next is debt snowball, which somehow I messed up the spelling and did not notice for years. It's getting $10. So now we have 50. This is just for like extra payments every month. I'll probably give it, or every quarter I'll probably put this money in the bank to pay off. But this is an extra payment. And then, oh, I guess I gave $10 more to shut down. Okay. Look at me being generous. Okay. Let me reorganize this. And that is it for my sinking funds. That is it for my sinking funds. The rest of this money is going to my savings challenges. So, yeah, watch that video. I'll see you in the next one. The next one should hopefully be my savings challenge cash stuffing. I'll see you next time. Bye.